Hi guys, thanks for joining today as we match ending sounds in words. So, our word today that we're matching is cracker. We want to listen carefully and see how the word stops. So let's pull it out and see what sound it stops on. Cracker. One more time. Cracker. So which one of these stops the same as cracker? Is it bear or is it gum? What do you think? We'll do it one more time. Let's say cracker first. Cracker. Bear. And gum. I hope you picked bear because cracker and bear both end with er. Now we have jacks, car, and fox. So let's pull jacks out and see how the word ends. Jacks. Now let's pull car and fox out. Car, fox. Which one ends the same as jacks? Let's pull them out again and think about it. Jacks, car, fox. I hope you picked fox because jacks and fox both stop with x. Okay, let's do another one. Thumb, worm, and chair. Let's pull out thumb. Thumb. Now let's pull out worm and chair and see which ones end the same as thumb. Worm. Chair. Think about it. Let's do it again. Let's start with thumb. Remember, we're thinking about the sound the word stops on. Thumb. Worm. Chair. What do you think? I hope you picked worm because thumb and worm both stop on m. Okay, now we have apple, broom, and bell. Okay, here we go. Let's pull out apple. Apple. Now let's pull out broom. Broom. And let's pull out bell. Bell. I'm thinking about it. Okay, let's try that one again. Here we go. Apple. Broom. Bell. Do you know which two? Which one matches with apple? I hope you picked bell because apple and bell both stop with the l sound. Okay, here's our last one. Ball, seal, socks. Okay, let's pull ball out. Ball. Okay, so we know what sound we're looking for. Let's try this one. Seal. And let's pull this one out. Socks. So which word ends the same as ball? Let's pull ball out again. Ball. Let's pull seal out. Seal. And let's pull socks out. Socks. Which one are you choosing? I hope you matched seal to ball because they both stop with the l sound. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you next time.